Right here we have a 1/27th scale 1999 Ford F350 Super Duty. This was sent to me by my customer, who, against my wishes, decaled it before he sent it, and that's what happened. But anyway, try to talk to you about something and you don't want to listen, Brian. Anyway, it's not a big deal. I'm sure you have more sets of those. It was decaled, I guess it still is, as a St. Louis Fire Department service manager vehicle. So I'm assuming more of a officer's truck of some sort, or maybe just a manager's truck. But anyway, decaling all the way around. See the St. Louis there on the tailgate. Again, door decal can obviously be replaced when you get it back. With this one, you ask for flashing headlights, red strobe, rooftop light bar, red grille strobes, and then red taillight strobes. Just with this one, I think you said you want to do a bed cover on it. So anyway, I just set the battery up to set in the back. Could have been probably placed inside under the hood, but no reason having to take the thing apart every time if you're going to do a bed cover on anyway. So just when you do your bed cover, it'll fit level across that to cover up the battery, so you won't have to worry about it. I just put some black tape on it. I don't know why. Anyway, for the video, to kind of hide it a little bit, but obviously you know the battery's there. Front doors do open. Tailgate drops. The hood does not open on this one. As you can see, the tailgate does still open. Switch is located underneath, and the battery will fall out right here in the spare tire. Let's turn that on. Again, grille strobes. Those are triple strobe. Flash there each time you see the one or right or left side illuminating. It's actually triple strobes. Camera just shows it as a single flash, but anyway. And your flashing headlights that you asked for. Of course, you can see your red strobe light bar with my LED shop light drowning it out. Very bright. Your taillight strobes set up the same way. They're on the grille strobe circuit board, so you get a triple flash wig wag with those as well. And of course, no siren on this one. So there you have it. Again, 120. What did I say? 120. I might have said 124 scale, but it is a 127 scale truck. So thank you very much for the order, and I'll get it shipped out to you probably tomorrow. Thanks again.